Hey there. Back in 2001, David Allen published Getting Things Done, or GTD, a book about managing your time. The book became a bestseller, and the Getting Things Done approach became incredibly popular. And for good reason. David's key insight was the value of moving planned projects and tasks out of your head and into a system. Once they're in your system, you divide them into actionable steps. And this is a fantastic approach for being more organized and for checking items off of your to-do list. It's a great foundation for being productive. But there is more to productivity than checking items off your to-do list. If I were to ask you what would make 2021 your most successful year ever, you wouldn't quote your answer in terms of the number of tasks you will have completed. You would say, I'll have renovated my home, or I will have published 3 articles in academic journals, or I will have completed 3 freelance projects. We define success in terms of achieving our goals, so let's define productivity that way too. I'm Peter Aki's a productivity teacher, and this is Big Picture Productivity, a 5-week live course to make 2021 your most productive year ever. And when I say most productive year ever, I mean productive in the big picture sense of the word. It's about achieving your goals and keeping your existing commitments, not about working through your tasks faster. It's about getting your day-to-day under control and then expanding beyond that to work towards your goals. It's about building a system you can rely on to make space for the work that truly matters. So, are you in?